Hi you all, welcome back to my channel. I am Naina and today's video is about my most favorite makeup products from 2020. Well, yes, it's a rewind and I am a little late for it, but I really thought of making this video and sharing all those best products with you guys that literally blew my mind, and I am so obsessed with these products that they work so well in such an affordable price range. So yeah, without delaying, let's just start the video. The first thing that I would like to share is this Nykaa's Prep Me Up primer. Well, you guys have seen using me this is a silicone based primer. It will work very beautifully for oily to combination skin types because it will help hide all those pores and blackheads and bumpiness on your skin very effectively. The next product is this Lakme's 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Foundation, a very good foundation for oily to combination skin types. And this bottle retailed for $4.99, but I think you can always grab it on discount at $2.99 because Lakme always has this offer of slashed price on Nykaa, and this is an amazing product. It even comes with this spatula. For an easy application. I totally love using this product. It gives a very beautiful base to my face. Next, we will be talking about two concealers. One is from Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Concealer and the other is this Swiss Beauty's Liquid Concealer. While talking about this concealer, yes, this is a bit on the expensive side, but okay. Yes, this is a bit on the expensive side, but ये बहुत थोड़ा सा product चाहिए आपको to hide those dark circles and pigmentation on your face, and this works very effectively and it is a very good product. Next, if we talk about the Swiss Beauty's concealer, this is again I think the best find of 2020 because it only retails for 199 rupees and it works as it claims. It actually conceals all the unwanted spots on your face and it really gives very good coverage. I mean, बिना foundation के भी अगर मैं सिर्फ concealer use करती हूँ, well, I am that kind of person, and so I really like using only concealers, starting my base makeup with concealers. So this product works really well with that, and try this once. You will definitely fall in love with this product. Next, there is this NYBase color corrector. This is an orange color corrector. This is a bomb product. This only retailed for I think 100 or 115 rupees, and this product works very nicely. It blends so well. It's such creamy product and it totally stands by what it claims. It actually helps in color correcting all the darkness of your face. So I would highly recommend you guys for going with this NYBase color corrector. Next, we'll move on to blush, and for blush I have this Wet n Wild's Mellow Wine blush. This is again my current favorite and I am obsessed with this blush. You can already see I'm wearing this right now and I really like this rosy color of this blush and it suits my skin tone so well that I have totally fallen in love with this blush. अब मैं कोई और blush को hunt ही नहीं करती हूँ and I always grab this blush to apply. This gives such natural look to your cheeks and I totally love the flush of this blush. Next is the highlighter, and for a highlighter I have this Maybelline's Master Chrome in Molten Gold. Yes, I know I am a little late to use this one, but I recently bought this I think in November or Pink Friday sale of Nykaa. Such a good highlighter. I also got this on discount at I think 355 or 375 rupees, and this is amazing highlighter. Trust me, this suits all the Indian skin tones, and if you are any close to my skin tone, then this is the perfect purchase for you. अगर ये आपने खरीद लिया, then you don't need any other highlighter. That's what I feel about this highlighter. We move on to mascaras, and for that I have this Maybelline's Total Temptation. This is an amazing mascara and this is always on discount and you can grab it for as low as I think 375 or 350 rupees, and for 350 bucks this mascara works really wonders. It helps enhance your lashes and it gives such beautiful length to your lashes and also a depth to your lashes. If you are hunting a mascara that you really want is affordable and in your budget, then you should definitely go for this one. And there is also another recommendation from me, and this one is L'Oreal's Lash Paradise. This one is again a beautiful mascara. I am wearing it right now. I don't know camera capture kar pa raha hai ya nahi, but I have only applied on the ends of my lashes and it has given such beautiful volume to my lashes that I always grab this mascara for the application and I really love how it looks on my lashes. Next recommendation from 2020 is going to be this Maybelline's Colossal Liner. Again, a very affordable product and works what it claims. It gives a very precise line and it dries up instantly. That's the best part of this liner. Trust me, if you are hunting for a liquid liner, then try this out. It retails for $249 but you will get it on discount. I got mine for $199 only. Next we move on to lip products, and for that the very first and my most favorite one is this PAC lip liner. This is in the shade Mauve and this retails only for 200 rupees. You get such a huge product for 200 rupees and I got mine at 180 bucks. And this has a very beautiful, just look at the shade, this has a very beautiful nude shade that I totally love. A perfect everyday wearable shade. And next is this Maybelline's Creamy Mattes. I totally enjoy, you know, wearing these lipsticks. They are so creamy, so matte, and it doesn't matter if they stay for only 2 to 3 hours because reapplying it is not at all a problem for me because my lips are very comfortable with these lipsticks. So this is the shade and this is how this shade looks. It's very close to this lip liner, so they both complement each other very nicely. And this is in the shade Clay Crush, and this has also become my current favorite in the nudes. Next I bought in Jan, I think Jan 2020, was this Miss Claire's lip cream, soft matte lip creams, and this is in the shade 31. This is what I am actually wearing right now. This is again a very beautiful pinkish nude shade. The camera and the lighting might be showing it a bit dark, but it's a very beautiful pink color. It only retails for 295 on Nykaa, और local markets में तो I think उससे भी ज़्यादा सस्ते rates पे आपको मिल जाएगा. Miss Claire I think local shops पे भी available होता है. This is in the shade 31, again a very beautiful shade. Last are these nail paints. This one, the first one is from Nykaa and this one is in the shade 71 Lavender Drizzle. I really like wearing purple, lavender and lilac colors, so I tried this one and this is a very beautiful shade. It suits all the Indian skin tones. I really like using this one. Next is this K by Katrina's nail paint in the shade Flamingo. It is a very beautiful shade, a very beautiful natural pink color, but it doesn't stay for long hours. That is only disappointing thing with this nail paint. The last one is this Color Bars nail color. I think it is in the shade Catch Me. It's a very beautiful nude color. This one also suits my skin tone very nicely. So I am not a big fan of nail paints, but agar use karti hu, so I am very selective with that. So yeah, that was it from my side in this video. And let me know आपके पास कौन से makeup products हैं इनमें से. Comment करो नीचे और मुझे बताओ, and I will be happy to hear from you guys, and I will see you super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.